Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, so you never miss out on our thought-provoking content. Today, we have something quite different and daring to share with you. 10 ways minimalism has ruined my life forever. Wait, don't get us wrong. Minimalism has its benefits and advocates, but we're here to explore the other side of the coin, how it has affected some of us in unexpected ways. At first, minimalism seemed like a path to liberation. I decluttered my life, and it felt liberating. But little did I know, it would take away some of the things I cherished the most. Number 1. The memories. When I embraced minimalism, I donated and discarded so much, including items with cherished memories attached. Now, looking back at those moments is harder than ever. Number 2. Sentimental gifts. Gifts from family and friends hold special places in our hearts. But, in my pursuit of minimalism, I let go of many sentimental gifts, not realizing their true value. Number 3. Losing my passion. With fewer possessions, I lost some of the tools and materials that once fueled my creative passions. Minimalism unintentionally stifled my artistic expression. Number 4. The loneliness. Minimalism made me focus on myself, which was great for self-discovery. But it also led to feelings of isolation and a longing for deeper connections. Number 5. Regrets. I realized that minimalism pushed me to dispose of things I later regretted letting go of, books, mementos, and possessions with sentimental value. Number 6. Identity crisis. Having fewer possessions made me question who I really am. It's like I lost a part of my identity in the pursuit of minimalism. Number 7. Impact on relationships. Minimalism sometimes made friends and family feel unwelcome in my space. It created distance rather than closeness. Number 8. Lack of comfort. Comfort is often overlooked in minimalism. Sometimes, the lack of cozy furniture made my home feel cold and unwelcoming. Number 9. Constant comparison. Living with less made me susceptible to comparing what I own with others, which led to dissatisfaction and envy. Number 10. The pursuit of perfection. Striving for the perfect minimalist lifestyle became an obsession. The pressure to have an impeccably organized home took a toll on me. So there you have it, 10 ways minimalism has impacted my life. It's essential to remember that minimalism may not be the right fit for everyone, and that's okay. Balance is key, and it's crucial to find what brings joy and meaning to your life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay curious.